Homework. Let's read together. Question 1. Complete the table using information from the text Unusual Towns. Town 1. Coober Pedy. Country, Australia. Special features. It is famous for mining opals and people live underground. Why people visit? Tourists experience underground life, visit museums, and travel to deserts nearby. Town 2. Setinil de las Bodegas. Country, Spain. Special features. Houses are built under the rocks and there is no airport in the city, so all tourists come by car or bus. Why people visit? Many families spend their vacation to walk through narrow and rocky streets and enjoy local food. Question 2. Answer the questions about the unusual towns. Share your own thoughts as well. Question 1. Why do you think people decided to build houses underground or under rocks in these towns? Example answer is: people build houses underground or under rocks to protect themselves from extreme weather. It helps keep homes cooler and safer. Question 2. Which town would you choose as a holiday destination and why? Example answer is: I would choose Setinil de las Bodegas because I like cafes and unusual places. I think it would be interesting to walk under the rocks. Question 3. What problems might people face if they live in these unusual towns? Example answer is: people might have less sunlight or limited space. Some buildings may be difficult to change or repair. Question 3. Remind yourself about a modern fairy tale about food habits. Check sentences below and correct all mistakes. Sentence 1. Mira ate snacks every day. Sentence 2. She couldn't digest food well before. Sentence 3. Mira wanted to eat healthy food later. Sentence 4. She cooked dinner with her grandmother yesterday. Sentence 5. Mira felt tired after eating junk food. Sentence 6. She needed to change her eating habits. Sentence 7. Mira learned about healthy cuisine. And the last sentence, she could choose better snacks later. Question 4. Revise innovators versus climate change text and put events in the chronological order. Number events from 1 being the oldest and 7 being the latest. 1. Scientists began to study climate change seriously. 2. As a result, scientists found out that plastic waste stayed in the oceans for many years. 3. People noticed that pollution was harming nature after reading and watching about the climate change. 4. James Dyson designed machines that save electricity. 5. Boyan Slat studied the problem of plastic pollution. 6. Boyan Slat designed a system to collect ocean plastic. And the last one, innovators like Slat and Dyson began to help protect the environment.